Ooh, that's not good. So she gave an ARV of 215 and an as-is of 80,000. Yipes. Yeah, that's a big mistake. I told Leighton 8,000. Nightmare. I said, hey, Leighton. I was screaming at him. This is a knockdown.
Waiting for pairing. Pair.
Guess I was totally wrong. Sent in the scope. I think excuse me. I think it's heavy rehab. I think he had
Hold on, please.
Everything high end. I whip the Mazzy. Yeah, I be blowing herb, make a deposit. I am not from the earth, stay on my fly shit. I'm flying private, on my Dubai shit. On the Ducati, stunning on them. All of you niggas, my little homies. Here's some knowledge for you. No, my name is not bitch. All the vampires know that we don't go to sleep.
The final purchase price is 135,000, or there's an assignment to this as well?
I could have sworn that there was an assignment on that.
The contract that I have here is, the buyer is and the seller is
You know what? I don't know if it, you know what? Let me call and see if it was 135 real quick. Because I know he sent them. Did you get the revised scope of work? Because he definitely sent a revised scope of work that I could have sworn I sent to you. Did I send it to you?
I think so. Let me check my resolution.
I'm losing my mind. And then the changes that you needed for, that was for Kurt, correct?
Mm-hmm. I also need a payoff.
Oh boy.
What's the problem?
No, I have to call them. These payoffs aren't going quick. Nobody's quick with their stuff. Unfortunately, the only people who operate quickly are us. Everyone else is like, it's getting on my nerves. I'll be quite frank. I'm very much annoyed at the speed in which people work and the speed in which I work, you work. If everybody worked at my speed, I'd be a millionaire already.
Okay. Yeah, he definitely did send an updated scope of work.
How much was that for?
The first one added a total of 69,700. The second one has a total of 105,775.
105? That's heavy rehab. I don't even know if we'll cover
I don't
the
think
whole...
it's heavy rehab. Actually, if it's more than the as value, let me see.
It is heavy rehab.
Yeah, it is heavy rehab.
Oh my gosh, Leah. All right, let me clean this mistake up because I think the contract was for 135. Let me call him back. I'm completely out of my mind. Let me call him back. I'll call you back, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. Again, most issues. If people worked as fast as me...
Yeah, Sharif, the line with another bank.
Real quick, I'm wrong. It wasn't 8,000. It was 80,000. 80,000. Yeah.
I'm gonna provide her some comps. I'm gonna provide her some comps to get it up to like $130, $120.
Please. I apologize for my mistake. Thank you. Bye-bye.
No problem. You got it. Bye-bye.
Well, thank God that went better than I thought it was because I really thought he was going to curse me out. So what have I done for today? given a homeless family shelter for today. Dropped off her keys to her house in Manhattan. I've been to one of the properties and
You have reached.
it's not gonna work. Not the wrong number. Going to slip my wrist. The moral of the story is, people, you start your day out as early as I start my days out. Like, you're gonna become annoyed at some point.
The appraiser.
For which one? For the property?
The 7 package, yes.
Let me ask that exactly what to discuss with you on the deal, and I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, thanks, Pearl.
Wow.
Surprise after surprise. Surprise after surprise is all I have to say. I don't know how we go from 500 to 2250. That's a lot, Kurt. Kurt, you there?
Yeah, no, I'm here. I'm like still shocked.
That's a lot. Like, why? Wait a minute. A CSFI, I thought, was if the budget was over a certain amount. They're not even really doing rehab on these properties. I mean, what in goodness name are we really talking about? I don't know, Kurt.